Hello, thank you so much for joining the demo today. This is 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗧 from MassMailer. I'm going to go over MassMailer real quick and then get into a quick demo right after that. What is MassMailer? MassMailer is a native app to Salesforce CRM through which you can send large-scale emails or one-on-one emails with file attachment to any Salesforce object as long as an email field in it. Why did we even build this product? While we all know Salesforce is a great CRM, when it comes to emailing, it has its own limitations. I've highlighted some of the limits here, 5,000 daily limits. Statistics, what you see are not that granular, such as opens, clicks, spam reports. Salesforce doesn't offer any deliverability tools. Also, there's no dedicated IP address and no flexibility when it comes to the sender domain. Also, there's no concept of unsubscribe, so you cannot really track unsubscribes. You cannot send high volume emails. Template building capabilities are quite limited. You cannot track any automated emails that you're sending via the flow builder. Also, there's no drip campaign feature. There's no A/B testing feature. MassMailer would bypass all these limits for you. And some of the core features what MassMailer have to offer, you can send emails to any standard custom related parent related child objects. There are multiple ways to send out emails such as list views, campaigns, objects, flows, or even Apex. You can build your target list using advanced filters. You can personalize your emails by using the merge field feature. You can build templates using the drag and drop editor, quite easy to build. You do not need to know HTML coding. We auto suppress anything that's invalid, bounced email, spam, or unsubscribed contact. And we also auto suppress anything that's invalid, do not email, disposable, toxic, spam trap, or even abuse. And some of the deliverability features, we let you be compliant, we let you honor opt-outs, add a signature line, unsubscribe link. Using our email verifier, you can reduce the overall bounce rate and increase the response rate. And using our spam content checker, you can identify any issues before sending. And we also authenticate your domain and IP. And you can monitor the same as well. And we also monitor your links and domain cookies too. You can preview emails across various mobile devices or desktop device as well. We also have the domain and IP warm-up feature for better inbox placement. And how do we compare with other solutions such as Marketing Cloud, MailChimp, and Constant Contact? MassMailer is 100% native app to Salesforce. You can send emails to any object, including the related objects. You do not have to worry about integration. The data is right within Salesforce. We do support all types of email templates in Salesforce. And we also have the deliverability add-ons. We provide APIs also for developers. And we do support dynamic email attachments too. Now, let's take a quick demo of MassMailer. Let's say you want to send out emails to contacts. So you would go to the Contacts tab, select any list view. Again, this is one way through you can send out emails. You can click on the Send via MassMailer button there. And that's going to take you to the MassMailer app. Since it's a native app, everything seems like very seamlessly integrated. There are a few steps that you have to go through. Step 1, you're going to give the campaign name. And step 2, you're going to select the target audience. Since we come from a list view, so that is pre-selected for us. So you can see all the contacts in that list view. And step 3, you're going to select an email template from a specific folder. I'm just going to go select one of the templates that's predefined, and I'm also going to show you how to build templates in MassMailer. And this is just a sample template, and you can also insert an image if you want it. So for an example, if you want to insert this image that comes there, you can add a signature line, and it could be another image on the top. You can also personalize your email. So I'm just going to go add a first name here. Since we are sending it to contacts, I would select the contact object from there, and I want to identify what is the syntax for the merge field for first name. And I copy this. And again, you do not have to do this when you're sending out emails. This could be something that you can do ahead of time before sending out actual email campaign. So we would go save this and go to the next step. You can attach files as well. Otherwise, you can just go skip. You can send as a logged in user, common sender, record owner, on behalf of someone, or completely custom. So it's quite flexible. You can add additional too. You can add additional CC, additional BCC as well. You can suppress duplicates. You can send now or schedule later on a specific date and time. Non-transactional, there is unsubscribe link. Transactional, there is no unsubscribe link. And there are few advanced options here. And this is a final review page where you can actually make sure that everything is looking good. You can also do a test, preview, test the deliverability. And if everything is looking good, you can just go click launch. So I would just show you that this is just a final review page. So make sure it's all looking nice. And go ahead and launch and say yes. Every campaign that you're running is captured in this object called MassMailer Outreach. It captures all your campaign information, including who is the sender, who is the recipient, what template you're using, tracking information. And it also tracks all the opens and clicks and all of that. I would just go ahead and refresh this page. You can see the delivered opens. You can see that 3 got delivered. I would just go click on the delivered, and it shows what those contacts are. I would click open one of the contacts, and you can see that on the right-hand side, it has logged this Salesforce activity history, including the merge field. That's the email that we just sent. And it also tracks all the email status events here, such as open, click, and all of that. And it also tracks any verification status. And if somebody unsubscribed or there's a hard bounce, it actually creates a suppression record as well. And this is all reportable. MassMailer provides a lot of standard reports. So if you go to folders, MassMailer reports, so there are many reports available here. So MassMailer outreaches report, for an example. So this has all the outreach information such as opens, clicks, reply, unique opens, unique clicks. All of that gets captured here, bounces and all of that. And these reports are customizable. You can also send emails from campaign. It's the same thing. You would add campaign members, and there's an option here called send via MassMailer, and you can send it to custom objects as well. It's quite easy to set up custom objects under MassMailer setup. Go to email settings. Here is where you can actually add your custom object. So these are all custom objects. And this is pretty much driven by the admin user. And if you want to build templates, you can go to the MassMailer template builder. And you can build templates here. Quite easy. Select any folder. Select create new template option and give the name of the actual template. And then this is the editor where you can actually design your layout. Just drag and drop. And you can add your content items, different types of content items. Very easy. You can insert an image as well. You can upload the image, search free photos. And you can resize this as well. Quite easy. You can change the buttons too. And you can add a URL as well. You can also personalize your emails by adding that merge field syntax. Save and save to Salesforce. You can also send a test email, just giving the sender and the recipient information and send test. That's it. It's quite easy to use MassMailer. And if you're interested in getting in a demo, we can help you out. And pricing is also pretty straightforward as well, depending on how many users are going to use MassMailer and how many emails you're sending per month. The price would vary. We have basic, pro, and premier plans and different options and add-ons as well. Some of the MassMailer customers, we have customers in different industries: higher education, nonprofit, fitness, healthcare services, financial services, legal services, tech companies, staffing companies, even management companies, various industries. And if you need any further help, you can reach me directly. This is my contact information, or you can also reach us from our website, massmailer.io, or you can also call us or email. We can certainly help you with a free trial as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching this demo video. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.